Hello traders, I'm very glad you found this video because in it I will show you how truly smart traders today not only trade, but also multiply their capital. And not after years of study and sleepless nights at the charts, but from the very first weeks. And yes, it is possible. And no, it's not about a magic button. I'm talking about a modern tool that literally changes the logic of trading, all thanks to one trading bot. And it not only relieves you of the routine of analysis and calculations, but also provides you with ready-made solutions based on speed, data, and machine learning. Well, let's get started. In the meantime, give a like and subscribe, and I'll be opening my first trade. I'm trading on the OTC market. I've already selected the currency pair. We set the correct parameters on the trading robot and receive a ready trading signal to go long. We open a buy trade, and now all that's left for us is to wait for its completion. And you know, I've seen beginners spend weeks figuring out indicators, reading articles, trying to understand why the price isn't going where it should. And that's how I started myself. I would sit up at night trying to combine different indicators like MACD, RSI, looking for reversals by volume and constantly missing the moment. Everything was theoretical. In practice, it was loss after loss. But of course, that was a long time ago. Now everything has changed. Firstly, I've gained a lot of experience over the years of trading, and secondly, I've now moved on to algorithms. Not just to auto trading, but to a truly smart approach with a trading robot that analyzes better than I do. And this trading robot is my personal tool. It wasn't downloaded from the internet nor taken from a forum. I developed it myself. I spent months running it through hundreds of market scenarios, selecting models and filtering out weak signals. And now this bot doesn't just recognize patterns, it analyzes dynamically. It takes into account dozens of time frames, tracks repetitions, and also reacts to market surges. Thanks to machine learning, it now delivers up to 91% accurate entries. This is not an advertising figure. It is confirmed, firstly by my tests, and secondly by the trading results of both myself and those who use it. So if you want to trade like a professional, cool. You don't need to spend years. No, you don't need to learn all of technical analysis inside and out, and you also don't need to fear every candlestick. You just need to connect the trading robot that already knows how to do all of this. And the link to connect it is right below this video. It's free. And yes, you heard right. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. Just connect and start using it and watch your deposit grow. And to make it even easier for you, I also run a Telegram channel. But more on that a bit later. For now, let's lock in the profit. The first trade I opened with the help of the trading robot closed with a positive result. We have a price increase. In fact, this same signal was given to us by the trading robot, and therefore we now have a profit from the first trade. And I suggest we don't miss the opportunity and move directly to the second asset, opening the next trade, the second in this session. So let's first select an asset on the trading robot itself and then specify this choice with the broker. And of course, set all the parameters we need for trading. We need an asset also to select it on the trading robot, and the expiration time is 1 minute. We receive a signal for a price decrease. Immediately open a sell trade and now wait for its completion. So I also promised to tell you about the Telegram channel. Every day I post real signals from the trading robot there, also do analyses, share strategies, and show working combinations and indicator schemes to improve your trading. And of course, I don't forget to talk about the risks and how to properly allocate your deposit. I also left a link to the open Telegram channel in the description below this video. So if you want to make sure that this trading robot really works and delivers colossal results, go ahead and take a look. And now let me tell you how all this should work in practice. The typical trading scheme with a trading robot is as follows. You should have 2 trading sessions per day. This could be, for example, the European and American sessions. In each session, there should be about 3 to 4 trades. And depending on the volatility, you will enter based on the signal provided by the bot. But you will only control the lots and volume. The trading robot will handle everything else for you. And your task here is to adhere to money management and risk management. And once a week, of course, don't forget to review your balance. We withdraw part of the profit and leave part for reinvestment. Everything is clear and straightforward without guesswork and without emotions. And within a month, with a competent approach and stable trading, reaching 10,000 is quite realistic. Firstly, I have seen it myself, and secondly, the participants of my channel, those who use this trading robot, are already sharing their results. It's real. The main thing is not to go blindly and not to trade on emotions, and also not to chase after magical strategies that are abundant or on the internet. It's better to take a working tool that has already passed battle tests and use it correctly. And listen, the market today is not what it used to be, so it requires changes. And the robot is perfectly suited to handle all of this. And look, we already have a profit on the second trade. We can lock in this profit. And overall, I can wrap up today's video on this note. Finally, I just want to say this. If you are still trading manually, if you are tired of emotions and random decisions, this is your moment. It's time to connect to something that truly works. The link to the trading robot is in the description. There is also a link to my Telegram channel where you will find signals, strategies, lessons, and most importantly, support at every stage. One trading robot, zero stress and stable profit every day. Join in. The time to act is now. Well, I'm wrapping up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.